The E gesture is in a way, I go into the world of left and right. I go into the polarities. And it's a connection of polarities. And here, it's more a little bit the I gesture, the stretching out. Also living in these polarities, in the tension, yeah? And the heart in a way is the only place in us which really can heal, where the head cannot help anymore. Though we feel into this world, how it is, the left and right, but it's more the quality of the E, is the quality of the E. But you're right, it's looking completely like the E gesture.